Designed for seamless integration beneath the rear seat of your 2019 and newer GM Crew Cab truck, this under-seat ported subwoofer enclosure comes loaded with two powerful AudioControl Spike series subwoofers. Connect your amplifier to this non-amplified enclosure by using either the traditional spring-loaded terminals by pressing down on them and inserting the speaker wires, then releasing them, or use the XT90 connector if you'd like the option to be able to remove and reinstall the subwoofer enclosure quickly. These inputs are connected internally, so use one connection method or the other, but not both. To begin the installation, lift the rear seat to expose the jack and the tool bag. Unscrew the plastic T-handle securing the spring clip that holds the tool bag into position. Then remove the spring clip and tool bag temporarily. Loosen or completely remove the 10mm bolt on the front side of the jack. The rear jack bolt does not need to be removed, unless your truck is equipped with a factory storage bin under the rear seat. If your truck has the storage bin, you'll need to completely remove the two bolts securing the jack, remove the jack, and also a 10mm nut by the front of the storage bin, so that you can ultimately remove the storage bin. Now slide the right angle shaped mounting bracket under the jack, then reinstall the 10mm bolt into position. Then take the curved mounting bracket and slide it into position where the spring clip was originally installed. Then install the supplied washer and nut. Tighten this nut to secure the bracket to the vehicle. Bring the enclosure into the truck and place it near the brackets. Then, with the M6 flanged head bolts loosened slightly on the back of the enclosure, slide the bolts through the keyholes on the brackets. Once both bolts are through the keyholes on the brackets, we can tighten all the bolts to secure the enclosure to the truck. Then reinstall the tool bag and the spring clip by sliding it behind the enclosure and returning it to its original location. Hand tighten the plastic T-handle on the spring clip. That completes the installation of our Stinger loaded enclosure featuring AudioControl Spike Series 10-inch subwoofers. Visit stingersolutions.com for more information.